Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scroll on Kindle. To scroll on a Kindle, first of all open up your Kindle application and open up a book that you want to read. Select a book from your library from the main home page. After you open up the book, select your chapter. In order to scroll on Kindle, swipe left or right, especially if the content is wider than the screen. You can also swipe up or down along the edge of the screen or anywhere on the page if the content is longer than the screen. So that is how you easily scroll on Kindle in order to turn your pages and go through your readings. Remember that the exact scrolling method might vary slightly depending on the specific model of your Kindle and any software updates. So that's how you learn how you can scroll on Kindle in few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.